Hello students, welcome back to another video. Okay, find the equation of the circle which is passes through the point 0 comma minus 3 and intersects the circles x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, x square plus y square minus x minus 7y equal to 0 are orthogonally. Now solution, let the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 1. If you want g, f, c values, okay, given equations are x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. X square plus y square minus x minus 7y equal to 0. This is equation number 3. 1, 2, 3 equations. Okay. Equation number 1 ఏంది ఇక్కడ? Passing through the point 0 comma minus 3. Okay. Equation number 1 passes through 0 comma minus 3. Then అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? 0 కామా మైనస్ 3ని ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ, మైనస్ 3 ఈజ్ వై వాల్యూ. 1 implies 0 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. That implies 0 plus 9, 2g into 0, 0 plus into minus minus 6f plus c equal to 0. This implies c is equal to minus 6f ని రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ప్లస్ 6f అవుతుంది. ప్లస్ 9 ఇవతలకు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? మైనస్ 9. c is equal to 6f minus 9. ఓకే, ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 and 2 are orthogonally intersecting. 1 and 3 intersecting also orthogonally intersecting. Okay, equation number 1 and 2 are orthogonally intersecting orthogonally. Okay, here g value is gfc. G dash is equal to 2g dash 2 implies, equation number 2 implies 2g dash is equal to minus 6 implies g dash is equal to minus 3. 2f dash is equal to 3, f dash is equal to 3 by 2. C dash is equal to 5. Okay, here condition 2 into g dash plus f dash is equal to c plus c dash 2 g into first circle g is fc is there. Okay, g dash is equal to minus 3, f into f dash is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, is equal to c plus 5. This implies plus into minus minus 3 to the 6 minus 6g plus 2 into f into 3 by 2 is equal to c value is 6f minus 9 plus 5. 2 cancel. Minus 6g plus 3f is equal to 6f minus 4. Okay, ఈ 2 terms ని రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొద్దాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ప్లస్ 6g plus 6f minus 3f minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, 6c plus 6f, sorry 3f. 6f minus 3f is 3f minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 4. 1 and 3 are orthogonal. Okay, 1 in equation number 1 gfc is as it is gfc. Okay, 3 implies 2g double dash is equal to minus 1, 2f double dash is equal to minus 7, c double dash is equal to 0, g double dash is equal to minus 1 by 2, f double dash is equal to minus 7 by 2, c double dash is equal to 0. Okay, condition is 2 into g G double dash plus F double dash is equal to C plus C double dash. Okay, 2 into G into minus 1 by 2, F into minus 7 by 2. C value is 6F minus 9. 6F minus 9 plus 0. 6F minus 9, C value. Okay, 2G into minus 1 by 2 plus 2F into minus 7 by 2 is equal to 6F minus 9. 2 cancel. Minus G minus 7F is equal to 6F minus 9. ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న జిఎఫ్ని రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొద్దాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? జి ప్లస్ 6F ప్లస్ 7F మైనస్ 9 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకే, జి ప్లస్ 13F minus 9 equal to 0. This is equation number 5. Solving 4 and 5. Solving equation number 4 and 5, we get G and F values. Okay, G, F, 1. Coefficient of F is minus 1 plus 3. Here, coefficient of F is 13. Constant term minus 4. Here, minus 9. Coefficient of G is 6. Here, 1. 3, 13. G by 3 into minus 9 minus 27 minus 13 into minus 4 minus 52. Minus into minus plus 52. F by minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus minus 9 into 6 minus 54. Okay, minus into minus plus 54. 1 by 13 into 6 78. 1 in minus 1 into 3 3. G by 25. F by 50. 1 by 75. By 25 equal to 1 by 75. G by 25 is equal to 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by 75. Okay, this implies G is equal to 25 by 75. 25 3 is a 75. Implies G is equal to 1 by 3. G value is 1 by 3. F by 50 is equal to 1 by 75. Implies F is equal to 50 by 75. Okay, 25 2s are 25 3s. Okay, F is equal to the value 2 by 3. G is equal to 1 by 3. F is equal to 1 by 3. If you want C value, C is equal to actual condition 6F minus 9. F value substitute in this place. C into 2 by 3 and 6 into 2 by 3 minus 9. 2 into 2 4. 4 minus 9 implies C is equal to minus 5. G is equal to 1 by 3, F is equal to 2 by 3, C is equal to minus 5. Substitute in equation number 1. Okay, 1 implies x square plus y square plus 2 into G value 1 by 3 into x plus 2 into F value 2 by 3 into y. Okay, minus 5 is equal to 0. C equal to minus 5. That implies here LCM is 3. 3x square, 3 into x square, 3x square plus 3y square, 2 into x, 2x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 also 1. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 4y. 3 into 5 minus 15. 3 into 5 is 15. Here minus is there. Minus 15 equal to 0. 3 into 0, 0. This can be written as 3 common x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0 is a required equation. Required equation of the circle. That's enough. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.